Welcome to our next tutorial of Mesh2Surface for Solidworks. We have redesigned this part and we started from this mesh and we ended up with this body. As you know from our previous tutorials, you can always just press compare so you can see the deviation and how accurate we are with our scan data. What we have in our Mesh2Surface for Solidworks is something which is called instant compare. If we don't have this option enabled, when you press OK, everything will return to normal. If I press compare and if I press instant compare, press OK, the difference now is that the color plot deviation is available on the screen so you can always see it, and in order to turn this off you need to press the compare button again. This is very similar to the functionality which you can find in the built-in zebra stripes in SolidWorks. Let me enable again the compare functionality and I will press OK. So now we see the color deviation, but what we notice here is that we are a bit off of our tolerances. SolidWorks has something which is called Instant 3D. If you go to Features, there is a button which is called Instant 3D, which enables to drag the faces of the SolidWorks. Let me hide the mesh for now. This means if I click, I have this arrow and I can move it up and down, and SolidWorks will update everything instantly. I will show my mesh, and what I'm going to do now will just expand this feature tree, and for my solid body we'll select the option which is to render it transparent. Let me show you the result. This means that the object looks something like this. The main idea is that because the object is drawn transparent, now you can easily see the underlying mesh. I will just show the mesh so you can see it on the screen. Now, because the instant compare is enabled, I will pick this face on the top and start dragging it. So what you can see instantly is that Mesh2Surface for SolidWorks automatically applies compare so you can find the better position of your extrusion. The same applies if I change the radius of this cylinder. You can see I can get as close as possible to my scan data. Here I see I'm really far from the tolerance. We'll move it slightly. Also in this area, when I have designed this, it's very far from my expectations. We'll pick the face and we'll start dragging. See, I can get closer and I can get this within a tolerance. You can do this in instant time and you can get amazing results with this. Let me drag this. This is going inside, which is off of my scan data, so I can move it something like this to get our perfect results. We can apply this on any face that can move in SolidWorks to get a way better result. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.